Hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with Frame.io automations and integration with third-party apps. So yes, I can do it. There are three ways we can achieve this overall automation integrations. Number one, we can work with the Frames.io API directly. Second, we can use platform like Zapier or Make.com. And the third one, we can use the Frame.io inbuilt automation and workflow facilities, but those are at very minimal level, so they can fulfill the small purposes. But I'll just walk you through first two options. So over here, you can see Frame.io has a well-defined API document available right across. We can work with their APIs using any sort of asset creation or maybe controlling the version as well as comment, any projects. So all these create project, get project, list them, delete, update, almost everything is available right across within the APIs. However, if you wanted to work directly with API, we'll have to go for something called like Python or Java-based scripting. The second alternate good options available is called Zapier or Make.com. So on Zapier, I'm just showing you this Frame.io has inbuilt app, and over here we have multiple triggers. So whenever there is a new version created or there is a asset deleted, added, a comment came, so these things can work like a trigger and the flow can start right from here itself. Secondly, we have multiple actions also available here. So we can create a set, comment, we can even create folders, upload videos, or maybe even call directly APIs from here, and also integrate this entire thing on a multiple level with other apps, and almost identical facility provided by Make.com as well. So Frame.io is an inbuilt app inside Make as well. And similarly, it has all the triggers as well as the actions available. So I created various workflow for different video production agencies which are using Frame.io extensively. And these are a couple of examples over here. This shows my experience and command on this entire subject. So here this agency is managing all their content records or content database into Notion, and they wanted to run through it the entire thing using Frame.io and then update some sort of database again back in Notion. Similarly, this is a large example of automation which is starting from the Google Drive. So whenever there is a new video uploaded inside Google Drive, we're going to get that particular video out. We'll do some text parsing, we'll manage their data into data store, and over here the Frame.io thing starts. So first of all, we are creating an asset based upon the video coming in from the Google Drive. Secondly, we are making API calls over here. So these two create a review link, and this entire link is also given like allow approval is true and so on. Similarly, we can also add this review link or assets to this particular asset ID as well. And these things get notified into Slack as well as Asana task is created. So yeah, these kind of automation, even furthermore, a little more complex automations like when we are doing comments with the Frame.io. So we are listing all the comment, taking out that particular asset and then replying to those comment, or maybe to store them in a particular other facility. Again, another good example of automation over here, starting from Frame.io. So whenever there is a asset level applied on a particular video or on a particular project, then it goes get asset, it goes text past this entire label part, and then create a task inside Asana. It run through the entire review link, Slack update, and then couple of more Asana task updations can also happen. So yeah, these kind of things can be done on Frame.io APIs as well as the Frame.io integration with Make and Zapier. And I can assist you to do almost any such integration or automation for your video production agency or for your Frame.io workflows. So let me know if this excites you, and I'm more than happy to contribute my skill set and my automation abilities to your business growth. So I would like to connect with you. Let's jump on a call and explore how I can assist you with your automation things. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.